Want to reduce the size of your iPhone photos without losing too much quality? Here's a simple trick to compress your photos and save storage space. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Select the photo that you want to make smaller. Now, tap on the info icon at the bottom. Here you can see details about the photo, including the current file size. Next, tap the Share button at the bottom left corner. Scroll down and select Save to Files. Choose a location like On My iPhone, then tap Save. Now exit the Photos app and open the Files app. Find the photo you just saved. Press and hold on the image file. A menu will appear. Tap Quick Actions. Then select Convert Image. Now you'll see different format options like JPEG, PNG, and HEIF. For a smaller file size, choose JPEG. Next, select the image size. You can choose from small, medium, large, or original size. If you want the smallest file size, choose small. Your iPhone will create a new compressed version of the photo. Now you can compare the new image size with the original one. You'll notice the file size can become much smaller, which helps save storage and makes sharing easier. If you want a better balance between quality and size, choose medium or large instead of small. And that's it. Now you know how to reduce iPhone photo size without using any extra apps.